Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today, I would like to talk about HBAR USDT trading pair with my custom request set. Main updates. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I would like to show you, take a look how the price respect the levels we rejected at this moment at 38 level by FIB 2588. This is the main important zone and the main problem to determine all levels correctly. That's why we can adjust during the some time period, that levels. But if you determine the levels correct, everything what you need to do, just accumulate in zone of interest and distribute step by step at some K levels. So once again, this was the last idea about HBAR altcoin season local targets. So congrats everybody who took a risk and trade these assets, at that point, because this is on a Binance weekly time frame. We go into the main targets. So this is a global chart, HBAR USD crypto assets. So this chart showing us the global chart since September 19. This is a monthly time frame. Everything playing out perfectly well. So 27 block relevant, like you can see. And this is one more example. You can go and check free educational video about initiation accumulation zone, strategy, and about the FIB of this block, 27 block, why it's important and why you can use it for investment. Also, all zones I showed you with my custom request set. What we can see next for HBAR, accumulate HBAR now or not, guys, it's only up to you. So this is not a signal channel. This channel, all zones I showed you during 2022, 2023, 2024, next probably months, I will do the updates for all people who watch the videos all this time period. So now I will update, we're more than okay to fix profit. We're more than okay will be to buy back if we will see the continuation or some corrections, so don't need to ask in the comments, is it okay to buy now or not? Guys, my personal zone of interest for all altcoins, I showed you during the last 3 years. So I will post the updates where to okay fix profit for everybody who followed the channel and learned a lot in the last 3 years. So congrats who didn't skip the post. Zone of interest, absolutely same, this one. Now we can't know, are HBAR stopping here or going higher? Next levels, still relevant. So 29, 62, 33, 0.5, 61 level by FIB. Basically, this gap, monthly one, closed. This one, closed even in March. Even if you accumulate it at 8 cents, 5 cents, you could be in losses, same time period. So here, 35%, even 45%, you could be in losses. But if you follow your plan, you absolutely don't care because you follow your plan and it's about investment. People don't get the big difference between investment portfolio and just local swing trades. People act not like investors. They act like traders who don't understand how to trade. That's the main point. So if you accumulate it here, you build the average entry, for example, 8 cents at 16 cents. This one, you could just withdraw initial deposit, leave free coins, ride with the free money. Absolutely, money from the air, guys. So now you could be in profit like 220. Of course, for someone it's not a big deal because everybody waiting some 10x, 100x. But guys, the HBAR, it's not that token. It's not a meme token which will pump like crazy, for 10,000% gains. No, I showed you before. Take a look. The main bull run rally for HBAR last time from October 2020, for example, till May 2021, it took 151 days. Imagine if the history repeat. So here at the bottom, for example, 151 day. So this is going to be again the March 2025. All right, we can count, for example, from this low, 181 day. So 182. So April. So till April, yes, it can be the unstoppable move on the monthly time frame. On the weekly, of course, it looks like this one. With correction, some red weeks, So yes, we can go higher. Till this was a top, March 2021. So let's say like this one. So 196 days from August somewhere. All right. Take a look, 100, so around here, April 2025. So if the history repeat, guys, and my idea is still relevant, so till end of spring 2025, we can see the top for alts. In the last video about altcoin season, I explained my idea. Just repeat again my idea, so there is nothing new. So yes, now it's like a hate rally. So everybody waiting, so we have to go into correction or so, but the same story was here. We're waiting, bounce, but then we're going down again. So this can be absolutely the same story. So this is the targets. So this target for HBAR, this target, and the next one. So 65 and 96. I don't think so. The HBAR will hit the $1 this cycle. It's just my take, guys. Of course, you can hate it, you can love it. I absolutely don't care. I just follow my plan for all of that tokens and just show my ideas. If you don't have any idea, I recommend you to build a plan. And the same story now with the algo. Like you can see the algo, HBAR, XRP, Dash, IOTA, Pump It. This is one more example. All of that assets, it's just a speculative asset. Don't need to call like Starknet, it's a future because it's a fresh coin, or like Injective, it's a future because it's a brand new one, it's a hype it and pump it based on some narratives, or FAT, it's AI token, and all of that Dino tokens, it's useless. Guys, now a lot of people start talking about HBAR, XRP, algo. Everybody hated the algo. Now everybody talk about the algo is a great one. They start found that many confirmations why the algo is a good one. It's not a good or bad. It's just a basic coin where you can trade it. So guys, let's take a look with my custom indicator set. What's going on with the HBAR? So the best case scenario for HBAR, if we will start form that divergence on the weekly time frame, and going to the new all-time high, for example, or to new high by end of spring. This is Euphoria. Take a look how long we could trade in Euphoria previously, from December 2020 till the top in April, this one before the correction. So we can trade it till here, December 2020, March top, then a little bit longer till April, and drop it down. We drop it down that time like 67%. The history can repeat. Of course, not till a penny by days, not till penny by prices, not by timing, but yes, it can be this hated rally, for example, and going down to correction. Summer 2025, then new all-time high, for example, or new all-time high now, and then summer and new all-time high again. So that's it, guys. Now no signal to sell on direction. On ADZ, it could be like this divergence. So guys, this is just the updates for everybody who track the previous videos. Money power, here's a money inflow, pump, money outflow. It means most likely the whales withdraw initial deposit. 100% they withdraw initial deposit and right with the billions and the millions money in that asset. So last two money inflow was at 5 cents lowest point and 5 cents. This one, now we get a money outflow. So yes, it can be the correction like this one, or it can be like consolidation and going higher. Guys, now personally for me, it's not a right time to accumulate these assets. If you miss some asset, don't need to hop into the top like the guys hop in here on some BlackRock rumors, about a BlackRock. So now it's money outflow on a weekly time frame. Can we go higher? Yes, guys, I repeat again, listen please carefully. All main targets relevant, but it's a big difference accumulate in zone of interest and accumulate after 300%. Because now if we go to correction, for example, it can be even tiny drop to like 20 cents or even fulfill of weekly gap. Previous one, it's 34 cents down, 34% down, not a cent. So that's the point, guys. Trade on, no signal to sell yet. That's it, guys. So everybody who track all assets with my customer cassette, you could track it by yourself. Take profit, yes, we trade way over exit line. Take a look how long we could trade over that exit line in previous cycles. So all the time, guys, compare the previous time with the current situation and you will understand the logic. It can help you a lot to build a plan. So now I don't see any reason to hop into HBAR. So it's just my take, guys. Of course, if you're ready to see some losses, in your portfolio, of course you can buy even now. But next target is here, for example, it's 18% profit, 33% profit, and the next target is 161. But imagine from the zone of interest, it could be like 1,000. So the big difference. That's why, guys, everything should be in time. There's not all the time will be the great entry. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Write please in the comment what do you think about HBAR. If you would like to trade as my customer care, what I showed you in this video, just write me the DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.